Hi everyone, my name is Rochelle. I'm a mother of 7 and today I'd like to do a quick unboxing video for the New Beginning single electric breast pump. So I'll just open this up. Oops. Okay, so you've got your warranty card. It tells you a little bit about what's in the box, how to assemble the unit. Looks quite easy really, there's not that many steps. I like things with pictures, makes it a lot easier. Okay, so you've got your charging cable. Now this is going to make it extremely easy to take this with you, like if you're in the car or, you know, if you need to charge it whilst you're on the go. I think that's brilliant. What I might do is lay all the bits and pieces. So you've got the hose. It's like a little lanyard type thing. The top for a bottle. That looks quite good really. Quite nipple-like. And the little cap. Oops. So here you've just got the bottle assembled. And I think that might be like a little stand. And then the actual suction part with the cover, which is great, especially if you're transporting this. The AC adapter. You get a larger bottle as well, which is fantastic. And then the device itself, oh my goodness, it's so light, it's quite a compact little device. And there it is right there. Wow, that is tiny. That's really fantastic. So that would easily fit into my handbag without a problem really. So I'll pop that there. Then some little bits here, I think that might be like replacements for something. And that's it. That's everything that you get in the box. And I will do a assembly video once I work out how to put this together. I'm quite certain it's not going to be that hard. I mean, as you can see, that looks quite straightforward. I think you just end up putting this on top of there and then connecting the hose and then connecting the unit to the hose. So I don't think that that's going to be quite challenging at all. And as you can see, it's all really compact and extremely lightweight. So, you know, no more than a mobile phone really. But I will do another video as soon as I get it up and running and show you ladies how it runs and how quiet it is. Okay, thanks for watching.